Get a pound and bust it down. I low-key run the city while you niggas run your mouth. And I be paying off the feds, so they never shut us down. I got junkies running in, my money never running out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this Valentine's Day makeup look featuring the Juvia's Place Berries palette. And guys, this is my first time ever using this palette. Like, I literally picked this palette just to film this video, and I am so happy that I did. Now, I usually don't mess with the berries, pinks, purples, but today I was like, girl, you need to film this Valentine's Day coming up, and so that's what I did. Alright guys, so let's get into this look. So first thing first, I'm going to do my brows, and I do have an updated brow routine on my channel, so make sure you guys check that out. Just laying it down with some Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and then I lined it up with some concealer and I buffed it on out. So then I'm going to take, I think it's my M143 brush. I'm going to go in that light pink right there. That pink right there is going to be my transition shade. I really don't know why people on YouTube even point out brushes. No one really knows what kind of brush you're using. They just know it's a fluffy brush. No one really cares. Because if I don't have it, sis, I don't have it. And I probably ain't going to go buy it. Anyway, going in with that second pink right there and just going and apply that in my crease as well. And then I'll take a smaller blending brush I did get from Morphe, going in with that purple color as a transition color, and just transition it for the next darkest color. So now I'm actually going to cut my crease using the Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha and this flat little brush I got from Dollar Tree. You guys already know about this brush because I mentioned in my last video. So I didn't know if I really want to do a cut crease or not, but I decided with this palette it'd be great to do a cut crease because this way I can show off all the colors the palette had to offer. Guys, I never know why, but it seems like every time I'm doing a voiceover, my phone wants to start acting up. Anyway, I'm going in back with that little pink right there on a flat brush. Usually use a brush like this for glitter. After I laid that down, I'm actually going in with the shimmer, so you guys get to see. I didn't know which one I was going to pick, but I definitely ended up going with the second one, so I hope I didn't confuse anybody with that. I'm just packing that on with another Wet n Wild brush from the dollar store, nothing fancy. It's a flat shader, so yeah. I'm gonna go back in with that little brush and apply more of that berry cranberry color to my crease. Guys, I quickly realized that it just was not coming together on camera, so I just basically went in and packed the colors that I already had on my eyelid, and just made it more intense by packing more color. Nothing really changed off camera. Y'all, I had to go off camera because stuff was looking real hectic. I don't know, something like with holding a small mirror and playing with colors is just not working. If I hold these big mirrors, like, it really changes the color of my skin. So yeah, this is where we're at right now, sis. I'm actually gonna take some makeup remover and remove all this purple stuff from my face, all this purple eyeshadow fallout, and I will come back, put on some lashes, and then we will talk about this palette. So just to talk a little bit about this palette right here. Like I said, this is the Berries palette from Juvia's Place, and the packaging is so simple and so compact. Like, you can literally throw this, you know, in your travel bag. You don't have to worry about, you know, having an oversized eyeshadow palette. And then it gives you all the colors you really do need if you're trying to achieve a very purpley, you know, look. In this case, I used this palette for Valentine's Day. So let's just get into it. I literally really digged into that pan right there. So let's ignore that part. But basically what happens is when you buy this case, you get 6 shadows, right, for 15 bucks, and they are extremely pigmented. Like, I was so surprised on like how pigmented these shadows are, guys. For $15, this is bomb, like bomb. As you guys can see, so the colors that I used on my eyes, I basically used almost every color. I used every color in this look minus this shimmer right here. The reason because like on camera, this shimmer right here just looks more berry red, where this one looks more pink, even though the reality is that they're both reflective, so that's probably why they look like that. This one's a reflective pinkish purple color, so my eyes at some angles may look pink. My shadow, my lids, may at some angles look pink, and it may in other angles look like a pinkish orange, which I absolutely love. Yeah, guys, this is bomb. I'm not gonna flex. And I usually don't do purple eyeshadows. I mean, if you like a dark kind of look, I may hop in with a dark. I don't know, I don't really do dark eyeshadows, like, period, besides dark browns, because why not? You need a brown, right? But I'm so glad I picked this up. I'm also so glad on how my makeup turned out. So yeah, that is Juvia's Place Berries, and I used this one to create this Valentine's Day look for you guys. So basically, I also, for this look, I used the Queen's Cosmetic highlighter. God, I had this for like 2 years. I don't even know what color this is, but obviously there's a pink and it has like a white reflectives in it. So I mean, obviously it's a highlighter, so duh. On my lips, I'm just using like a dark brown lip liner, and then I used the color Stone, the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and then on top of that I used this Maybelline lipstick in the color 920 Nude Lust. And that's what gave me like this nice light pink look. So yeah, I had to do a lot of stuff on camera. Like, one, these are some really big dumb lashes, okay, that I got from Wish. Can't even tell what they are, but I had to put them bad boys on off camera because I just have a hard time putting on lashes. And then when I put my lashes on, I was like, I should have put some eyeliner on, so I went in and screwed that up. But overall, like, the look is bomb. It's bomb. So I put this dark purple in the outer corners that you guys can see. The lightest pink right there was my transition series, so it was like right there to my brow bone, and it is so pigmented. Then I went in with this darkest purple just to deepen, this darkish pink just to deepen, you know, my transition color. I went and put this berry right here in my crease just to get a nice transition. I did do a cut crease as well, and I just cut it with I think I cut it with this NARS concealer, and then this is the color medium dark 1.5. I don't know what that means, but this little NARS concealer, it's like a little mini travel one. I wanted to buy it before I even, you know, decided to spend my money on it. With coronavirus, I don't really go to the makeup counters. I don't think you even go to the makeup counter to get like Skin Match anymore. Honestly, if you don't like the product, you probably gotta bring it back though. But yeah, I went in there and did a cut crease with that, and then I went and put this nice pink reflective shadow on my lids, and it's so bomb. Like I said, I did kind of mess up my liner. Like, I wasn't going to go for like a liner. I really was going to go for like a little wing, you know, little wing, and then just drag it down just a little and all the way to the front. But then when I put these lashes on, it just jacked everything up. But I had to put liner on, but I forgot I had these big dumb lashes on, so I kind of put my liner too. I don't know. But other than that though, I really do like this look, and I hope you guys do too. So yeah, guys, make sure you go pick this up. Like, $15, sis, you can't go wrong. They're extremely pigmented for $15, and you get 6. 6 is enough to accomplish a nice little simple look, especially if you're going for a Valentine's Day look. So yeah. But yeah guys, that's really about it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.